Hello guys, I'm Shreyas and this is Smartphones Corner. Now I'm going to show you a secret method to reduce your phone lagging or hanging. And it works on every Android phone, Android Oreo, Nougat, Marshmallow, etc. It works 100% guys. This special feature which is found in every Android device. And let's start this guys. Settings and go to about phone and you will get some status over here. Go to your build number and press it 5 times and it's completed. As now you have a developer option, and this developer option will be a method to reduce handling. Just tap on it and search for some animations. Check for it, and here comes guys. Here window animation scale, transition animation scale, etc. You must put it off, everything off, and it's just simple guys. And it is handing okay everything fast in your device, so no lags to find. But guys, I have tested it so many times, so this is for today guys. Any ideas you can comment down below in the comment section, and also subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon for notify my new updates. And I will also put this J4's review in next video guys. So goodbye.
Yeah.